Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and as you guys have seen from the thumbnail and from the earlier clip before I started talking, something is definitely wrong, and it's nothing but this guys. Okay, this guys, we got a huge misfire, and I'm gonna put the code right here. Those codes are the ones that I got, and I switched my ignition coils. Still got the same code. That was the initial diagnosis that I did, and then I switched the spark plugs, and boom, the misfire went to cylinder 2. And then I just ordered a whole set of plugs from FCP, the whole 6. I know you're supposed to do with the ignition coils and all, but I didn't really think about it until afterwards. So I just got the coils, and eventually I'll replace the I got the plugs. Eventually I'll replace the ignition coils, but for now we'll do that, and I gotta go to my friends and we'll do it right there. What up, boy? Doing an oil change on that.
You lost the tank?
We got Faisal here.
Hey, you lost
Bro,
the tank?
it's not me. I don't know where it went. I think
we need the tank.
I think it fell in there.
Oh, look at this guy. Look.
What's up? We're gonna let this cool down a bit and then do it. The cover and everything is in the trunk because I took it apart the last time. We didn't put it back. New spark plug. What up? Bro, look at this, right?
How long is shit out of take?
I have no clue. I thought it was gonna be really easy, but we gotta figure out a way to take this off and this. So we probably have to take all of that off and take this off. And that's gonna be... Yep. Shit is long, bro. This one's in. This is the old one, right?
Yeah.
That one is in. Take out 2. Let's go. Look at that. This is messed up. Look at this 2 compared to 2. Let's go. Oh, you smart. It's hot. Yeah, I know. That one is in. Okay, now we're in business. Bismillah. Woo-hoo. I can tell something is different. Yo! It's not shaking.
Yeah.
Engine compartment hot. Yeah, we know. We're back in business.
That's it?
Yeah.
They already went away? Clear the code.
I'm gonna clear it. But before then, we know it's not. I think, what do you call this? We're back in business. How's it going over here? You have to take out the tab?
Huh?
Is it just the screw, or do you have to take out something else?
No, this is the screw. I mean, it's not working.
What do you mean?
There's a gap.
So I'm trying to do this without taking off so much shit apart, because every video that I watched they took off pretty much everything here. But I had to just take that off, and now we got space. Taking that off wasn't easy still, but we have space to work. Sixth one, I already took the coil out. This one, all of them look like they need a change. I will do them, just not now, because if I order them I have to wait and I can't drive the car, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna do the plugs now, and then order this in the future and replace them. Yeah, that's the last one. No way there. That's it. Just deleted the check engine light, the OBD. Everything is straight now. But I broke a clip, which means I have to go and buy that clip, put it in there. If not, the J-pipe, like the intercooler to the J-pipe, where it connects, is gonna blow out and go slick again, which is not what we want. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'm gonna do that some other time, probably off camera, because it's just a clip, basically. Yeah, I think that's it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.